Hello.
Good morning. So this morning we went to
The post office. We've been waiting for
a month.
almost a month to get our picture of our whale shark
That's right.
from the Ukraine.
So we are going to do the unboxing today.
That's right. And here we go.
And this is from Ukraine to the Philippines. It took us 1 month to wait. So we are going to wait that one here, guys. So Mr. Wondering World is opening now. He's going to do the unboxing. So. So this is our parcel from Ukraine. It's big. So let's do, yeah, save all those papers. So that's our, okay, get the scissors. Unboxing today. Okay, we did all the papers. So far, this is the only like damage, not really damage, but so he's excited, guys. He's going to put on that wall.
Oh, they put a lot of space on it.
Dun, dun, dun. What's in the box? What's in the box, baby?
It's a picture.
It's a picture. So we're so excited. Yeah, Wonder One. That's right. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's another box. It's another box, guys. You need my help?
This one too.
Yeah, I guess.
This is another. Let's
So,
take 2 boxes.
oh. Dun, 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 dun.
You have to make music. Are you making music?
Yeah, I'm making it. Dun, 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 dun. So
Okay.
guys, ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na, so another box. Excited din ako kung anong laman nito. So, in-order niya to from Ukraine. And it took us 1 month from Ukraine to the Philippines. And now we have this already. Yeah. So, it's a canvas frame. Ooh, there you go! Another box.
Look at all that tape that's on
And
it.
all the tape. You need to. What is it, baby?
They did a really good job of it.
Yeah. Slow down, you might cut the frame, the canvas.
I should have usually.
Yeah, you should cut here in the another box, guys. See? It's another box.
Okay, Mrs. Wondering World, she's took over the unboxing.
Yeah.
If you just cut down this other side, you can fold flap over.
So guys, now he's ready to do it. So now it's my turn to do the unboxing. Now it's on the side. So we paid $112 at the post office.
112 pesos at the post office.
Yeah, so-
For the fee.
So this one, guys, you're going to ask how much is.
Look at there, even more tape.
Yeah.
They must use a whole roll of tape on this
So
box.
another box. Now this. So how much is this frame?
It's $189. Plus,
25 pesos shipping.
not pesos.
Out of $5 shipping.
I guess, I'm not sure.
Ay! It's easy now. It's easy now. Yay.
Don't look cool.
No, no. It's okay, guys. I will hold it. It's easy now. Cut. Wow! Then, here. So here.
tape.
Huh?
Still tape.
Oh, it still has a tape. So I let him finish, guys. So this is our frame now. So what's inside the box that it's like almost $200 box? So I'm excited. Oh!
Look at that frame.
Oh, I thought that it's 4 pieces.
No, I ordered one big picture. I didn't, it's too hard. Look,
Ah.
it has holders.
So it has holders. Where's the holders? Okay, so ta-da! Let's see. Wow! So that's our frame, guys. It's different on the online. So let's check. Let's continue, guys. Unboxing.
Well, I should leave the plastic on it so that I know before I hang it.
Okay. So try where you're going to hang it. So he's going to hang it there, guys. Okay. That's his project today.
Okay,
Okay.
that's about good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Go get my stuff.
Okay. Then let's put this. See you guys next time. So now, guys, he's already measuring so that he will know the measurement for this wall. Do you need my help? See? No? So I will just take video of him working. So this is the back side of the frame, guys.
This is sticker. Free.
Free sticker. So they gave us free sticker. So now our wall is ready. There's a 2 dots already there. We can hang it now. So our whale shark is here, guys. It's on the wall now. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Now I can see that it's a whale shark on the video. But if I'm going to look at here, I cannot see it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.